Hello friends, then such a question. Which gearbox uses less fuel, automatic or mechanical? Pros of manual transmission. Simple and reliable design. Easier off-road driving. Driving in economic mode. Inexpensive service. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Cons of manual transmissions. Inconvenience of control in a difficult city mode. Pros of automatic transmission. Comfort and easiest of use. Ability to change gears at full engine power. Smooth running during gear changes. Protection of engine part from overloader when choosing the wrong gears. Cons of automatic transmission. Cost and frequency of maintenance. Great fuel consumption. Low efficiency. Less vehicle dynamic. That's all guys.